Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Let's discuss the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank level for the next week. So to know the level for next week, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now. So let's first discuss what happened last week, even in last Friday, and then we'll discuss accordingly for next week. So let's come to the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 is trading at 18,550 के आसपास. Yes, 18,550 के आसपास इसने एक लो बनाया and it has touched the high of 18,676 मीन्स 18,080 के आसपास. तो 700 के आसपास एक ये यहाँ तक आके देन इट स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग. ओपन तो हुआ ऊपर मगर वहां से फिर ये नीचे गिरने लगा एंड इट हैज टच द लो ऑफ 18,555 और वहां से लो पे ही ये क्लोज हुआ है. और लास्ट थर्सडे it was very high. It has touched the 18,800, exact 18,800 here, and then from there 2 days continuously, days it has fallen और लो पे ही क्लोज हुआ है. तो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू डिस्कस फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक. और एक 800 का एक ही दिन में इसने एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया. सो इस हिसाब से अगर देखें तो अभी निफ्टी 50 वीक लग रहा है और 800 उसका क्या कहते हैं एक रेजिस्टेंस फेस किया है, जबकि 880 का एक लेवल मैंने लास्ट वीक दिया था. इट वाज हाई, ऑल टाइम हाई के आसपास भी है ये, विच इज निफ्टी 50 was not able to touch 8,880 18,000 sorry 18,880. It was not able to touch in last week and 800 से ही it started falling. So, what can be the level for Nifty 50 for next week? As Nifty 50 looking weak, I am expecting the lower level of at least 18,400. जबकि 500 का एक strong support है, but अगर ये 18,500 जो कि 555 पे तो चल ही रहा है, कि ज़रा सा और नीचे आके इसको तोड़ देता है, 18,500 को तोड़ देता है, तो definitely it will go to the 18,400 level, which is important level for next week only. So but अगर ऊपर के लेवल पे जाएं तो 18,000 का 18,800 को इसने टच किया है, जो कि एक रेजिस्टेंस बन सकता है. बट इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग इट्स लेवल नेक्स्ट वीक ऑन एनी डे, पूरे वीक में किसी भी दिन अगर ये 800 को 18,800 के लेवल को ब्रीच कर देता है, देन डेफिनेटली इट विल टच द 18,900 next week only if it's breaking 18,800. But if it's not breaking, not looking positive, I am feeling it will take a small support here 18,500 पे, और फिर अगर वहाँ से गिरता है तो then definitely it will go to the 18,400. So Nifty 50 level for the next week can be 18,400 to 18,900. I will give the link in I button. You can check the last week level, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both. I have given 18,880 level, which it has not touched. तो और नीचे के लेवल पे 18,500 it has respected, and Nifty Bank level also. So please check the link on I button and check the level in video. Now let's discuss the Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank, we'll discuss the Nifty Bank level for next week, but let me first discuss what happened in last week with the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank was trading at 43,989, means almost 44,000 के आसपास. It has closed on 43,000 44,000 के आसपास. Yes, it has closed here. So Nifty Bank is also looking negative. It has also touched this level, which is actually 44,500. And in last video I have given that if it breaks 44,500, then only it will start journey for 45,000. but it has not broken this level. It has taken resistance here, and it is also looking negative. सो 44,500 के पास एक अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस है, और अगर नीचे के लेवल पे जाता है तो इट हैज़ ए गुड सपोर्ट हियर एट 43,650 या 670. यस, सो 43,670 का एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है for the next week only. Next week में we'll see what happens. So if we talk about the Nifty Bank level for the next week, what can happen? What may happen? So 43,670 650 का एक सपोर्ट दिख रहा है, और 44,500 का एक हर्डल है. Nifty Bank level for the next week can be 43,650 to 44,500. So these are the level for the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank. Nifty 50 is 18,400 to 18,900, and the Nifty Bank is 43,650 to 44,500 for the next week only. So to know these level every week, and to know the weekly review of the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank, please stay connected to me. Hit the like button, share the video, and keep in touch. Signing off.